Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be looking at how to get iOS 18 for free. So firstly, you go to your app store, then search for Apple Developer app on the search bar. After you click on it, then tap on the download button and wait for it to download. When you're done, then open the app, click continue, automatically send, then you're in the app. Once the app loads, go over to your accounts, click sign in, and then select your Apple ID account or sign in your Apple ID account. Now that you're signed in, you don't need to enroll your account. Just go back. Now go to your home app, go to settings, and click on general, click on software update. Now wait for it to load. Now click on beta update. You should see the beta update there. Then you can choose whether you want to turn it off or turn it on. Now that you've turned it on, you can go back and then choose to download iOS 18. Thank you.